Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battery is the correct type and charge to at least 50%. This prevents deep discharge and preserves life. Once done, fill the reservoir to the marked max so the pump won't run dry, and make sure water is fresh to avoid clogs. Put on eye protection and set the gun on a stable surface. Now connect the battery briefly to verify pump priming and that no leaks appear before moving to active use. With the gun primed, you attach the chosen nozzle and set spray pattern and pressure to match your task, because different patterns affect range and battery draw. Then test fire short bursts to purge trapped air. This improves consistency and prevents sputtering. Once satisfied, hold the gun with 2 hands, use controlled trigger pulls, and move in steady strokes. This distributes water evenly and reduces stress on the pump. Make sure to monitor battery temperature and pause if it feels unusually hot to protect cells. When you finish, you should turn the gun off and disconnect the battery to avoid parasitic drain and accidental firing. Then empty and rinse the reservoir to prevent buildup. Wipe seals and inspect O-rings for wear. Storing the unit dry prevents corrosion and preserves seals. If you encounter low flow, check the inlet filter for debris, confirm the battery has full charge, and press fittings to spot air leaks. Addressing these 3 fixes solves most performance issues quickly, keeping your unit ready for next use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.